Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is going on? The bottle is throwing up. Oh my goodness. Is it soft?
That's elephant toothpaste. Oh, it's a bit more.
Let me see.
Bit more.
Oh my, ew. That's like chocolate.
It's warm by the elephant toothpaste.
Oh, it smells pretty good.
Yeah, because you need dish soap.
Oh, that's why.
So it makes like a foam, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
That's cool.
If it was fatter down, it wouldn't have been like this.
Yeah, if you would have just put the drops of food coloring and left it alone, you would have had different colors coming out.
Yeah, but we had glue.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.